Hot inflation data has rattled markets, with Fed rate cut bets quickly fading and U.S. stock futures turning lower. This is your AI news anchor from FPG. Today is July 16th, 2025. Welcome to your daily market update. Tuesday's CPI report came in stronger than expected, pushing inflation to its fastest annual pace since February. The data has prompted investors to scale back expectations for near-term rate cuts. In response, U.S. stock futures declined across the board in after-hours trading. Dow futures slipped 0.2% after the index dropped over 400 points during the session. S&P 500 futures fell 0.3% to 6,267, while Nasdaq futures also dropped 0.3%, despite hitting a new record close earlier in the day, led by Nvidia. According to CME FedWatch data, the odds of a rate cut in September have narrowed to roughly 50%, with growing consensus that the Fed may hold steady, not only in July, but possibly in the months ahead. This comes despite renewed pressure from President Trump, who continues to push for rate reductions. Bond yields climbed alongside the shift in sentiment. The 10-year Treasury yield rose toward 4.5%, while the 30-year exceeded 5%, its highest level since early June. Markets now turn to Wednesday's Producer Price Index for confirmation of price pressures at the wholesale level. Like CPI, PPI is expected to show a similar uptick in inflation. Meanwhile, President Trump announced a trade agreement with Indonesia, but also confirmed plans to move forward with new tariffs next month targeting the EU, Canada, and Mexico. Investors are increasingly factoring in the inflationary impact of those measures. On the earnings front, results from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Johnson & Johnson, and United Airlines are due later today.